We are standing in shade today because somebody has planted these trees long ago. Let us find out the types of vegetation found all around the world. Natural vegetation refers to all kinds and species of plants and trees that grow on their own without the intervention of humans. Plant species that are native to a region are known as endemic or indigenous species. Plant life of a region is also known as flora, while its wildlife is known as fauna. The types of plants and animals found in a region are indeed significantly influenced by the altitude, soil, and climate of the area. There are three types of natural vegetation. The first is forest, second is grasslands, and the third is shrubs and cacti. These are some of the major types of forests found on the earth: tropical evergreen, tropical deciduous, temperate evergreen, temperate deciduous, tidal or mangrove forests, and Mediterranean forests. Tropical evergreen or rainforests are dense, lush green, and multi-layered. They are found in the region near the equator, including the Amazon basin in South America, the Congo basin in Africa, and Southeast Asia. These forests are found in the areas receiving heavy rainfall and high temperatures throughout the year. Hardwood trees like rosewood, ebony, mahogany are common trees found here. They are home to many types of exotic plants and animals. Tropical deciduous forests or monsoon forests are found in the region of distinct wet and dry in the north and south of tropical rainforest belt between the tropics of Cancer and Capricorn. Deciduous forest vegetation composed primarily of broad-leaved trees that shed their leaves annually. Some of the trees found here are teak, bamboo, sal, eucalyptus, neem, shisham, and mulberry, which are mostly used for making furniture. Temperate evergreen forests are found predominantly in the area with warm summers and cool winters. This type of vegetation is found in the temperate zones, typically between the tropics and the polar regions. The vegetation consists of coniferous trees like pine, fir, and spruce, which retain their leaves throughout the year. Temperate deciduous forests lie in the mid-latitude areas of the Earth between the poles and the tropics. Trees found in the temperate deciduous forest biome have broad leaves that they shed in the fall. Trees such as birch, oak, aspen, beech, elm, and oak grow in these forests. The boreal forests or taiga are found between 50 and 60 degrees latitudes in North America, Asia, and Europe. These trees can survive in cold, long, and snowy winters. Taiga biome is composed mainly of cone-bearing, needle-leaved, or scale-leaved evergreen trees. Prominent coniferous trees that dominate the land here are pine, spruce, and fir, along with some deciduous trees like birch and poplar. Mangroves are a group of trees and shrubs that thrive in low oxygen soil and slow moving saltwater in the coastal intertidal zone. Many mangrove species have crop roots and pneumatophores that help them survive in oxygen poor soil. Mangrove systems support a wide range of wildlife species, including crocodiles, birds, tigers, monkeys, and many marine creatures. Mediterranean forests grow in the area that have Mediterranean climate. Mediterranean vegetation occur between 30 and 40 degrees northern and southern latitudes on the westward side of the continents. These areas include the Mediterranean region, southwestern Australia, southern Africa, the Chilean Matorral, and the chaparral of California. The most common type of Mediterranean forests include oaks, pines and wild olives, carobs, bay laurel, and various fruit trees like strawberries, oranges, figs, and almonds. Major grasslands of the world. Grasslands are region of grasses with limited tree cover. Tropical grasslands are found in the region near to equator, such as savannas in Africa and the llanos and campos in South America. Temperate grasslands like the prairies of North America, pampas of South America, wilds of South Africa, downs in Australia, and the steppes in Asia are found in the temperate zone. The vegetation of hot desert climate is of xerophytic type, which has special characteristics to withstand extreme aridity, high temperatures, and high rate of evaporation. Most of the vegetation is found in the form of bushes, cacti, acacia, date palm, and a few flowering plants. Cold desert vegetation is sparse and adapted to survive in harsh, dry, and cold conditions. This vegetation includes low-lying shrubs, grasses, and drought-resistant plants like saltbush, black sage, and rice grass. Some plants have waxy coating on their leaves to reduce water loss, and their growth is slow. Human activities have adverse effect on vegetation. Urbanization, agriculture, mining, and industrialization are some activities that lead to deforestation, loss of natural habitats, reduction of vegetation cover, and loss of biodiversity. Overgrazing leads to soil erosion and alters natural vegetation pattern. Air, water, and soil pollution disrupt plants' growth and their reproduction. Rising temperatures, altered precipitation patterns, and increased extreme weather conditions can stress vegetation and harm their ecosystems. Thank you all for watching. Do subscribe the channel for the upcoming videos.